cut off a starfish's arm, and it grows back. But here's the insane part. Sometimes the arm grows a whole new starfish. This isn't just healing, this is regeneration at its finest. Starfish don't have brains, but they've got cells that can rebuild anything. They can regrow organs, nerves, even parts of their central body. It's like Mother Nature gave them the ultimate restart button. Some species can survive being chopped in half. You heard that right? Half. How does this even work? And what if humans could do the same? The ocean is hiding superpowers. Dive deeper in the full video. Link in description.